I can't hold it that high. Okay, so we are here to set up a tent for winter camping.
Yep.
You ready?
Yep.
Okay, let's go. Thanks for helping me.
Okay.
I don't think I can do this on my own. No, thank you. Fire in the driveway. Yes, the neighbors are looking. Oh well. Okay, so here I am going to make a fire here in this little thing. I'm going to put it all together. I know it's really small, but it is small. And I am going to make a little fire and burn off the yucky stuff. So you want to do that before you put it in the tent because these things stink. Okay, so it's really cold here in Michigan. So I just took some paper, like some mail, put a bunch of twigs in there that I found laying around here. You know, you can just look in your yard and see what you can find. And I'm gonna start this and at least burn some of it off. And I got a little stump thing over there I'm gonna kind of throw in there too. So we're gonna get this going here. Ooh, look at that nice little fire. Yay! Fire in the driveway. Yes, the neighbors are looking. Oh well. Let's put some more wood in it. I might just sit here and enjoy it in the driveway. Looks good to me. We've got some serious fire smoking. Hey everyone, well today I have a tent. Let's go put a hot tent up. It's getting really cold, so I want to get out there and do some lives this fall and winter here in Michigan. It is freezing. So let's get outside and we're gonna put a tent up today. Let's go. Oh my gosh, look at my silhouette. Doesn't that look funny? Look at that.
Yeah.
All right, so here we have a 16, I'll put it in the link, but it's about 16
foot diameter.
That's gonna be huge. I thought this was like half the size. And there's a little stove thing over there, so let's see what's in here.
Oh. This must be the stakes.
Okay.
Yep. Oh wow, they even give you a hammer.
Ooh, like a mallet.
Wow. Okay.
This is like a fancy little bag that it comes in, right?
Yep.
Nice.
What's in here? I wonder. The instructions. We need instructions. Okay. Silver one fold down the outside. I can see that in the picture. Okay. We'll figure it out. Put this off to the side here.
Okay.
This must be rope, I'm guessing.
This actually is a pretty nice box it came in too. Oh
Yeah.
yeah, nice rope. Okay.
It's on the rope.
Am I gonna be able to keep this clean though? It's a light color. It's making me a little nervous in the woods.
Probably not.
Probably not.
This is the post. Yep, that's the post in there.
Okay. They did a really good job shipping. They actually put some wood on the side. That's gonna be perfect for burning too. And I bought, you can get this on Amazon, but I bought it directly from the manufacturer. But you can also do it that way too. Is it heavy?
Yeah.
Oh boy.
You want to pick it up?
No. Is it bad?
It comes in a body bag.
Oh. Oh boy. Okay, so we're gonna go over here. Do we put it back a little bit or right here?
Well, let me
16
get it,
wide.
Let me get it rolled out.
Okay, that sounds good.
And then we can move it off to the one
Should I
side.
help you?
Oh, I think I got it.
Okay, so I have a little trail area by this old porch swing that I have. And we are gonna see how far it goes out and fits. And we might have to move the swing over. So This is a pretty flat area and not too many sticks or falling trees. You want to make sure there's no falling trees by you. Always an issue out here in the woods, but we'll see how it goes. Okay, so here we are sitting some stakes in. We had to move the door, so the door is here in the front. You can tell it's getting colder here in Michigan because you can see my shadow. Okay, so Andy is taking the stakes and he's putting those in. Okay, what do we got going on?
We got instructions. We just
Okay.
did all the outside
stakes.
points,
Okay.
except for where the door opening is, which you can tell that's supposed to be right there.
Yeah, important.
And now we put the center pole up in the
Okay.
middle.
Okay,
So
that way we can stand up.
Yep.
I'm gonna have to get a mat or something because we're definitely gonna make that inside probably pretty dirty considering it's almost white. So I'll have to get something for that.
Well, it does have a bottom in it.
Oh, it does.
Yeah,
Okay.
this has a bottom.
Is it the same color?
Yeah,
Okay.
but it's plastic or
Yeah.
vinyl.
To get something. Okay.
So let's get this center stake
All
up.
right. Look at how big this thing is. That is gonna be really tall. So this is what we got so far. So there's a little rain gasket that it comes with right there. So that went on top and looks good. Nice. Okay. This thing is huge. It's way bigger than I thought. Well, let's see what it looks like inside. I'm actually getting kind of cold. Susan's down here. Come on, Susan. Come on. Let's go see it. Come on.
Come on, Susan.
Ooh, look at that. Okay. Here we go, Susan. Want to go inside? She's like, no.
Hey, Susan.
She's like,
Come
no.
on.
Ooh, it's nice and warm in here. Wow, look at how big that is. This is huge.
No.
Could fit the whole family. Christmas
on,
time,
Susan.
we'll put all the
Come
kids
on.
in here.
There we go.
Ooh, look at this, Susan. Want to light a fire?
I think this is pretty sturdy.
I think so. It looks like it.
I have a piece of plywood in the back of my truck. We could put the stove on,
Okay.
so that way if any ashes fall out, it won't melt the plastic.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to get a mat eventually, but I don't have anything right now.
I got a piece of plywood,
Okay, that's awesome.
so
And there's the hole. Now I did burn some gunk off last night here in this fire, so you want to burn it for about 2 hours before you bring it in a tent because it's got some yucky stuff that has to burn off. So I did that yesterday. What you doing, Susan?
I think she approved.
What? Do you like it in here? Oh my goodness! Ah! What you doing? What you doing? What are you doing? Now we can finally rest. What you doing, baby? Ah! What's going on? Get him, Susan! What is this about?
What are you doing?
What? Ah! Get you, get you, get you.
Come here.
What do you think? Think we can camp here, Susan? Oh, you're a good girl. You watching out for everybody? Susan, are you the watchdog? We foraged for some wood. We've got some wood and we're ready to put it in the tent. Susan is leading the way. Oh, Thomas, are you ready to go camping? Oh, Thomas, are you ready to go camping? Do you like the new camp chair, Thomas? Did you find it? Oh my goodness. Oh, you're so handsome. So handsome, Thomas. Hey, Susan, are you helping Daddy shovel the driveway? Are you helping Daddy?
She's supervising.
Yeah, she's supervising. Oh my goodness. You silly girl. You silly girl. I think she might be stuck. Are you stuck? Susan, what happened to your face? What happened? Are you helping shoveling? You like the snow, huh?
Warmer outside. But
It's a winter wonderland. This is why I got a hot tent, because Michigan is cold. It is cold. No, no, no. Where are you going? Come on. This way. Okay, we're gonna do a walk. Get you, get you, get you, get you. Yay. Hey, Susan. It's a beautiful Michigan day. Come on. Are you gonna be bunny hopping? You got your bunny hoppers. Come on, Susan. Come on, Susan. Come on. Follow my trail. Good job. Good job. You silly girl. Get you. The sun is bright. There's lots of snow here in Michigan, and this is why I bought that hot tent. Let's go check it out. Oh, in the face. Okay, come on, Susan. We're running. We're going to the tent. She's running faster than I am. And there's a Jonathan. All right, we're gonna enjoy some lives. And this is what we do in Michigan when we're bored. You can keep it pretty insulated if you leave the snow around the sides. Stays pretty good. But we do need to get in. We gotta dig ourselves out a little bit. Oh, Susan, you gonna help? Whew. Trying to run in snow with all this Carhartt gear on is exhausting. Time for some hot tenting. We're digging ourselves out. There's Susan. Come here, Susan. Come on. Susie, come on, let's go. Come on. Look at how beautiful it is. So pretty. Okay, so we're kicking some of the snow off because it's really heavy. We've got a good foot of snow right now, and that's a lot of weight in this tent. So we are going to get this off a little bit. Whoa. Oh my goodness. All right, I'm gonna help him do the rest. Come on, Susan. I think she's stuck in the snow. Might have to go dig her out. There, we got that all cleared off. We have a lot of snow here in Michigan, and it's beautiful. Just enjoy it for the afternoon. You ready, Susan? Yeah, we definitely need a broom, don't we? Oh my goodness.